What's up, my babies? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kay, if you do not know. So let's get into this video. I have already sectioned off my hair the night before in these like plaits, and I didn't want too many braids. Obviously they're jumbo chunky twists, so I think I have about altogether maybe 20 braids. So you see me, I added edge control, and I am literally wrapping the hair and clipping the hair with my little butterfly clips. And I'm doing the rubber band method. This is my very first time doing the rubber band method, but I figured it was like the easiest and fastest way to do it. So girl, I took a chance and praise God, it happened. So after I add my edge control, I'm adding, I put the rubber band on and I add a little bit of like, it's called hair gum. I'm in another country, so I have to use what I have, okay? But I put a little bit of the hair gum to make my hair kind of stick onto the Marley twist hair. The hair that I am using it's like really old hair from my Marley twist. I think it's by Jamaican. I'm not even gonna try to guess, y'all. I'm gonna find it and leave it in the description box below. But it's really old. I've had it for like almost a year and some change now, and I literally just take my Marley hair out and put it in. But yeah, so I'm using that hair to get this look, and at the end of my twist, I'm just putting it on a flexi rod so that I have curly ends, because I didn't really want this little straight straggly ends. So you see me, I'm adding the edge control, then I break the hair apart in halves. I get my Marley hair, I put it along that part, and then I clip the hair down just to help me. Then I bring my hair, I actually bring my hair, and then I put the rubber band around it to secure the weave, pull it tight, and then I add the hair gum, styling gum, gel, whatever y'all want to use, and then I begin twisting. Now when I'm twisting, I'm like twisting the hair as I twist the two pieces, if that makes sense. So I'm like doing a turning method with the hair and twisting at the same time, so that the hair is like, it kind of hides my hair and it still looks like thick and uniform. I don't know, y'all know what I'm trying to say. I hope y'all know what I'm trying to say. But this is my routine for my little chunky twist method. Like I said, this was my first time doing it, and I don't know how I was feeling about it, y'all. I don't know. It was cute, you know, it was cute while it was coming together. But oh, one of the things that I was like annoyed with this whole time is the edge control that I was using, it's not a very strong edge control, so it wasn't like sticking how I wanted it to. Of course I made it work, but I would prefer to use like a stronger edge control that actually had a bunch of hold to it. But anyways, I'm gonna come back after, you know, I finish all of this. Y'all, don't mind me. I am yapping on the phone. I don't even know who I was talking to or what I was even talking about, but clearly I was having a good time. But I finished the actual twist, and now I'm kind of just like laying down my baby hairs. Like I said, that edge control is wiggity whack. But I was trying to make something happen, you know, yeah. So now that I'm done with the actual twist and laying down my little baby hairs, I am going to dip my ends. Now this is just some boiling hot water, and I'm dipping my ends, and I'm just going to show you all like the difference between the two, like the two sides. You can see one is actually like smaller and like shrunken in, and the other side is still chunky. Please be careful when y'all are doing that hot boiling method, because I burned myself a couple times. But that's how my ends turned out. They were super cute. I'm so dramatic, for real. I'm so dramatic. But now I'm adding some little accessories, hair accessories as we should call them. And that's just like some little string. I don't even remember where I got this string from, child. I think I like stole it from my niece when she was doing some bracelets or something. But I am using this to add a little bedazzle onto the hair. I don't know if I would like them just by themselves, like with nothing on them. So I just wanted to add a little jazz, you know, jazzy like me, you know. So I'm adding that. And then I also, this is my favorite actually. I don't know why I love it so much. Like I take thread, and that's actually like sew-in thread that I use for my sew-ins. And it's just blonde for, you know, obviously for blonde hair. But I'm taking that and I'm wrapping it around a few of the twists. I don't know why, but I just love the way it looks. It gives me kind of like a boho chic look. But clearly I was tired of doing that. So I came back when I was done and I only added like 3. I added it on like 3 braids. But this is like the super finished look. I'm actually going to come back and talk to you all. So just keep on watching and hear my voice a little bit. This is my final look. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. I didn't, let me just tuck that in because it looks like it was bulging. So I don't know what kind of hairstyle this is right now. I kind of just put the twist up in some type of way. I think this is super cute and it's like super quick as a protective style. The best part about it is that it was super quick. Like I did my hair in less than 2 hours. And I think the most time was actually like putting the accessories on and dipping them and all that extra jazz. I was a little nervous doing the chunky twists, you know, because I don't know, I feel like they seem a little childish, but I feel like in the right style they will look really cute. I probably will never wear them down because they're just like really random. I'm not gonna keep on yapping. Thank you all so much for tuning in to this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that red subscribe button, join the team, come sit on our bench. Also hit the notification bell to let you know when I have new uploads, of course. And always don't forget to follow me on my social media. Come and stalk me, follow me. I'm semi kind of stalkable. It's a little bit. The daylight is getting away from me, so I'm actually gonna go. I have to go to practice now anyway, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to see you again. Give me a kiss.